As hurricane season kicks off, we just want you to know Wells Insurance is here to help you stay ready, stay informed, and bounce back if you need to.
Now's the time to check your insurance coverage, update your emergency plans, and take steps to protect what matters most: your home and your family, your business and employees, and your boats.
Make sure your policies reflect any recent updates or improvements you've made, like renovations, new equipment, or major purchases.
For our marine clients, take a moment to review your hurricane plan requirements and confirm your vessel's coverage and values are current.
For our commercial clients, it's especially important to review your building values and ensure they reflect today's rising construction and replacement costs.
And for our employee benefits clients, make sure your team knows how to access their healthcare and benefits information remotely if needed.
For everyone, it's a good idea to take fresh photos or videos of your property and valuables. Having a record can really help if you ever need to file a claim. And don't forget to double check your evacuation plans, your emergency supplies, and how you'll stay connected if power or internet service is disrupted. You can find many helpful resources anytime on our website.
And if you haven't already, be sure to download the Wells Insurance app. It's an easy way to connect all your policies in one secure place, so you can access what you need when you need it most. A little preparation now can make a big difference later.
If you experience damage after a storm, it's important to act fast.
During a hurricane or major storm, tens of thousands of businesses and individuals may be filing claims at the same time, and claims are usually handled in the order they're received. That's why the quickest way to get help is to file your claim directly with your insurance carrier. You'll find a full list of carrier claims numbers anytime on our website. And keep in mind, hurricane claims sometimes have a different phone number than a standard claim.
It's a smart idea to save those numbers in your phone or with your important documents ahead of time, just in case cell service or internet service is limited after the storm. Once you've filed, your Wells agent will be here to help guide you through the next steps if you need us.
If you need in-person support after a major storm, our Oleander Drive office in Wilmington will be the first location to reopen once it's safe. It's centrally located, offers plenty of parking, and is backed up by generator power, so we'll be ready to serve you as soon as possible. Of course, our remote client advisors and claim specialists are always available by phone and email too, ready to help whether or not you need to visit us in person.
If you have any questions or need help along the way, just reach out.
We're not just your insurance agency.
We're your neighbors too.
Right here alongside you.
You're never on your own with Wells Insurance.
Stay safe.
Stay prepared.
And know that whatever comes, we'll face it together.
We'll face it together.
We'll face it together.